kebab, which the Arabic language means roasted meat, is a meat dish typical of the Middle East, but now consumed all over the world. The main ingredient is meat, which can be lamb, veal, chicken, or turkey. Pork, for example, is not used in Islamic countries because of their religion. The kebab is made up of thin spiced slices of meat that are roasted on a vertical skewer, which by rotating close to a heat source allows it to be cooked. Vegetables are added to flavor the meal, such as onion, tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers, but also sauces, such as mayonnaise, ketchup, or barbecue sauce, and various spices. There are numerous variations of the kebab, depending on the cultures or countries we go to, but the most famous is the version prepared inside a flatbread or sandwich. Let's go and see how kebabs are made and the various production processes. In the last video, we saw how the preparation of sausages takes place in detail. I leave you the video above to see it. The meat is cleaned and boned. A quality kebab is made up of noble cuts of different types of meat. We said chicken, turkey, veal, lamb. A low-quality kebab, on the other hand, is prepared with recycled meat, that is, with animal waste, which is minced, ground, and reduced to a pulp, taking on the consistency of mashed potatoes. It is a process known as the mechanical separation of meat and is widely used on an industrial level in order to recover what remains attached to the animal's carcass and waste as little as possible. Once the meat has been cleaned, we proceed to the marinating phase. A mixture of spices is prepared, such as paprika, ginger, coriander, cumin, and cinnamon, to which flavorings, salt, and food additives are added. Everything is placed inside a meat churn, that is a machine that has the task of massaging and softening the meat and making it absorb the flavor of the spices. After about 4 to 5 minutes, the meat is unloaded from the machine and collected in containers. The various slices of meat are strung on a vertical skewer and mounted one on top of the other to form a large roll of meat, which has a weight ranging from 27 to 50 kg. At this point, the meat is weighed, packaged, and a label applied, where the expiry date, the list of ingredients used, and the nutritional values will be indicated. The meat rolls are placed in the cold room and frozen at -40 degrees for storage. After the necessary time has elapsed, the frozen meat rolls are transferred to the warehouse at a temperature of -25 degrees, where they will be stored before being loaded on the truck, which will then deliver them to the various points of sale.